Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the toggles from the top right side of the screen, and in here just look for Do Not Disturb. Now either I can't find it or it's not added by default, so I'll just check by tapping right here on this pencil. And there it is as the second one. So you do need to tap on that pencil to add it. So from there click on the plus and that's it. Now just to kind of repeat this, you just tap right here. Now once you have it added, it's going to be right at the bottom and you can hold it from here. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode actually functions. So just go over the settings, change them to fit your needs. The most important one will be things like the people, which will allow you to choose who can call you and who can message you. And schedule, which will allow you to set it up so it automatically turns on and off. If you're planning to use this, just make sure once you set it up that you tap right here on this checkbox to enable whichever option or whichever schedule you want. But for everybody else who wants to use this manually, once you set it up, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, find it, tap on it, and that's it, it's now running. And once you're done with it, you can again turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.